We are in an era where environmental pollution and degradation is on the rise. But all in all, there are also efforts to conserve our ecosystem and restore its aesthetic beauty. As you can see in the video, a concerned environmentalist is cleaning up a heavily polluted river using a mechanical interceptor. A shoal of fish is enjoying the waters of the spring. Some conservationists have even started feeding wild animals like the case with the baboons. Isn't it beautiful to see how they are scrambling for the food? Well, think about it. The baby turtles are having a feel of their ecosystem. All of us feel safer at home than anywhere else, and it's no different with the baby turtles. Humans have also grown fond of keeping spectacular wild animals as pets in their houses. Baby turtles hatch along the shores. They have to survive many dangers like prey animals before they finally get to their safe haven. If you think the video is cool, kindly subscribe, comment, and share. If you also think keeping wild animals as pets is cool, let me hear your views in the comments.